In this video, you can learn how to log directly into Cpanel in GoDaddy. Please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon. It encourages us to do more and more videos for you. So let's get started. Log into your GoDaddy account. Next, in your products page, click Manage button under Web Hosting section. Here, in Cpanel admin page, this is your Cpanel username. And here the password is hidden. You can find Cpanel admin password in your registered email account with which you registered to open GoDaddy account. Or you can click here and set up new password for Cpanel. Next time, you need not follow all these steps to get into Cpanel settings page. You can directly log into Cpanel using the Cpanel login user and password details. The URL link or web link to log into Cpanel is the domain name /cpanel. We can log into Cpanel with any valid domain name that has been added in the Cpanel. I have 3 domain names in my Cpanel account. I can use any domain name /cpanel as the web link like this. Here, enter the Cpanel username and password and log into the Cpanel account. You can see directly we are logged into the Cpanel settings page where all the applications are located. We did not use any web hosting login details. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment, and share the video if you found helpful, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and click bell icon. It encourages us to do more and more videos like this for you.